Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created this halo eye using the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I have been mainly using the Ring the Alarm palette. First I'm going in with the color Rush on the Morphe R39 brush. I am blending this color into my crease. I make sure to bring the color all the way to my inner crease. I am taking the color Alert on a Sigma E25 brush. I am applying this color to my outer and my inner corner. Now I am going back in with my Morphe brush and I am blending over the edges. I am taking the color Siren on a Sigma E30 pencil brush and I am deepening up my inner and my outer corner. I am taking the Sigma E25 brush with a little bit of rush on it and I am blending over the edges. I am taking the color on camera on my finger and I am applying it to the center of my lid. Then I am taking the color Boom and I am going over the edges of on camera with it. I am going back to my pencil brush and I am softly blending over the edges. I am bringing the color Siren on my lower lash line. I am taking the color Alert on a Sigma E25 brush to help blend it out. I am taking a lip brush with the color on camera on it and I am applying it to the center of my lower lash line. Again, I am taking the color Boom to fade out the edges. Now I am applying a black eye pencil to my upper and my lower waterline. Now I am taking the color VIP from the Armed and Gorgeous palette and I am taking it on the Morphe M213 brush and I am going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I am applying mascara to my upper and my lower lashes. Now this is the finished look. I hope that you like it and that you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.